When I opened this web page, I realized this isn't the right logo for the website because it's not supposed to have this border here. Why did I do that? And not only that, but it's not even. We got more gap right here than we do on the sides. I just noticed that. I don't know why that border is there, because I looked at my Photoshop and, anyways, it's been a while since we've been on the website, and I just added something to it recently. I added the language tutor. So you copy and paste this. It's language tutor prompt with word by word breakdown and natural replies. Well, we actually copy and paste this. Gives instructions to how ChatGPT, or I only tested it with ChatGPT, but you could use it for other AI. It gives it in Latin letters, the alphabet, English meaning or output explanation. Then give a natural reply in your usual tone and style, as if we're having a real conversation, not just a lesson. Alright, so we're going to go in ChatGPT. I'm going to use the default one. Hopefully I'm not logged in. Okay, let me log out. Log out. We're just going to use the default one. We put this in here. First sentence along with the input language. Sometimes it will ask you what language you want to use, the input language, or it gives you this. Alright, so I'm going to say input language is English. I guess you don't have to do that. And output, target, I was about to say output, I was like, what do I mean by output? Target language is Ukrainian. So we say, input language, it's supposed to say English, but it says hello, target language translation is Privyet, which is Ukrainian, and then it's going to give you the breakdown, how to pronounce it, an English meaning, and it says reply in English, Privyet, how's it going? We learned some Ukrainian today. There's another way you could do this, and I do use this sometimes. Another thing that I do is sometimes, well, don't know why it's not doing it. I guess it depends on how it's interpreting what you said, but it can also translate what it's saying in English into Ukrainian, and then it breaks that down as well. Yak Spravi. So Ukrainian word is yak, and English meaning is how. Spravi, which pronounced right here, Spravi, and things and affairs. So you would say, how are things? This is how you would read that in English. How are your things? How are you in Ukrainian? Like Spravi, I hope your day is going well. So you see how it does it. It doesn't just tell you what you're saying, but I wish it could reply that it can do it. Reply in English, it can reply in Ukrainian, and would say, for example, would say, I hope your day is going well. want to learn how to answer that next, and that would also be in Ukrainian. Then it breaks that down. It can also do that. But you could request that. Can you include your reply as a breakdown of the target language? See what I'm saying? It can also do that. Can you include your reply as a breakdown of the target language? It says, you many dobre v tebe. I'm doing well. And you? U mene vese dobre v tebe. At me, everything's good, and at you, this is very typical and natural Ukrainian way to respond. So it tells you how to speak in the way and how to understand it. It says, I'm doing well, how about you? Want to try replying to that in Ukrainian? And I got a Ukrainian keyboard. I could type, let's see. Let's do I don't remember where all the keys were. I'm kind of like pecking over here. I know I'm going to spell this wrong, but I'm going to try. Trying to remember. Nope. Oh. It's slowly coming to me. I believe that is... I probably spelled that wrong. But let's see what it says. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Wait, I meant to put an I there, mini. That's what I meant to do, not an E. Yeah. I was trying to think how I do that. It's been a while since I've do it. So it says T many podobadiatia. Did I spell podobadiatia right? That depends on how that's spelled. It's a case thing. Podobadiatia. Podobadiatia. No, that's not. I was doing podobadiatia. Not podobadiatia. Podobadiatia. No, podobadiatia. That's not how you say that. No, that's not correct. It's not saying that letter right. Podobadiach. Yeah. Podobadiach. It doesn't have the sh sound. It's supposed to be SCH. Weird. I don't know why it's doing that. That's not correct. I'm gonna say that's not correct. We gotta switch over to English. Is Podobayets. Yes. That's what it's supposed to. Right. Correct pronunciation. That's how you would spell that. Kobayashi. But that's what it's spelled. Kobayashi. Because you got that letter right there. That's a sh sound. But yeah, I was saying I like you. That's what I was going for. So, anyways, yeah, this is the language tutor. You can put in ChatGPT or any AI. So, yeah, that's what I want to talk about in this one. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I still gotta fix that. I gotta make a note here. Fix icon for or logo for KomiKon website. I'm also gonna add another one for later. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.